On the highest hill just outside the quiet village of Bramblewick stood a most unusual castle. It had tall grey towers, blue glass windows, and a grand wooden door carved with lions and lily. From far away, it looked perfectly ordinary. Up close, however, there was one small difference. It sneezed. Not often, not constantly, but just enough to keep everyone on their toes. The first time it happened, old Mr. Penwhistle was trimming his hedges when the castle walls began to tremble. Rumbled a deep voice that seemed to come from everywhere at once. The windows quivered. The towers leaned ever so slightly backward. Shoo. The sneeze exploded across the valley like a thunderclap. Birds burst from the trees. Laundry leapt off clotheslines. Mr. Penwhistle's hat flew straight into the duck pond. And then, silence. A small puff of dust drifted out of the castle's highest window. The villagers stared. The castle sniffled. You see, the castle had allergies. It turned out that every spring, when golden pollen floated up from the meadows and swirled around the turrets, it tickled the inside of the grand chimney shafts. The great hall would grow draughty. The spiral staircases would creak in a suspiciously sniffly way. Inside, the suits of armour would brace themselves. Here it comes, clanked Sir Rustington, the oldest helmet in the hall. Hold on to your plumes, cried Lady Breastplate. The tapestries would flap wildly. Shoo-oo. Boom! The drawbridge would bounce once like it had hiccuped. The moat would ripple in neat little circles. A cloud of startled pigeons would spiral into the sky. After a while, the villagers grew used to it. They timed their baking around it. They secured their laundry. Children would sit on the hillside waiting for the dramatic build-up. Sometimes the castle tried to warn them. The windows would fog slightly. The weather vane would twitch. A low rumbling, would roll through the stones like distant thunder. But sneezes are tricky things. One summer afternoon, a travelling knight arrived, shining armour gleaming in the sun. I shall claim this mighty fortress, he declared dramatically. The villagers exchanged knowing looks. The castle sniffed. The knight stomped across the drawbridge. The castle inhaled. The knight paused.